Hello and welcome to another video of the Zon.Tools tutorial series. In this video I would like to introduce you a new feature that we just implemented yesterday. As some of you might be aware, we rolled out Automate 3.0 to all keywords and target. This includes the exact keywords. So as far as the option that you now have for the exact keywords, you can either choose to have Automate 3.0 to automate verb bids, or you can choose to use what we used to have, which are the legacy automation, which are listed over here: Keyword Guardian, Keyword Recycler, and Bid Nailer. Basically the process for which an exact keyword used to get posed and tested in a tester group at a lower static bid. And Bid Nailer is a bidding automation that will work on the active exact keywords. Now you can choose to either leverage what we've done all the way up to now, which is the legacy automations, which is this group of 3, or you can choose to use Automate 3.0, which is a on-the-fly bidding with never pause the keyword, but just drop the bid down to minimum bid or raise up to a maximum bid, depending on your conversion rate or forecasted conversion rate. So how we do that? So let me go and I'm gonna go and pick a PGM, a random PGM. So let's go and check these PGM exact keywords, if there are any. Alright, there is only one, that's plenty enough. Let's go here, hold on, sorry about it. Okay, exact. Alright, we got one exact keyword. So in our pop-up screen now, you will see that there is this legacy exact automation toggle. By default, this toggle will be on for any campaign or PGN or keyword exact that has been created before 4th of June 2019. By default, this is on. So everything that happened until the 4th of June will keep working the way it used to be. And everything that will be created from the 1st of June on, any new campaign, any new PGN, by default will work with Automate 3.0. So we'll work with on-the-fly bidding. As far as what has been up to now, you have the option for the exact keyword to keep going with the old automations, or simply toggle the old automation on and leverage Automate 3.0, so on-the-fly biddings also on the exact. And you do that simply by toggling this on, and if you do turn it on, we will require a bid increment and a minimum conversion rate. And if you toggle this one off, we will run on the fly bidding. So the toggle, you will see the toggle present at pop-up, on the rule pop-up. You will see the toggle present if you do a bulk edit, bulk action, bulk edit rules. You will see the toggle present over here. So if you do want to bulk deactivate a bunch of legacy rules, you will see over here, you see edit exact rule. So yes, I want to edit the exact rule and I want to deactivate the legacy exact rule, or in case you want to bulk enable the legacy rules on exact, you will click here and you will give us the data points. Or at PGN creation, but as I mentioned before, by default we will not use anymore the legacy rules. So at PGN creation, by default the legacy switch is off. So what you can do, if you still want to continue leveraging what we used to have up to now, you just switch with an on and you give the new the additional threshold. I will highly advise you not to do this. We are moving away from the old legacy automations, although we still support them and will support them. We found out with our own testing, our user testing, that the Automate 3.0 is a much more efficient way to hit your PPC goals. So I will highly advise you for any new entity to use the default, which is on the fly bidding, and for every previous entity, it depends. There are many ways you can go about it. You can either go to all your campaign, all your PGNs, and simply deactivate all the legacy. Alright, so you will go here, for the test, and I will say, you know what, for the legacy I want to deactivate the legacy. I will override and save. In this way, all the exact keywords within this PGN will be on the fly building. Or another option that you have will be to maintain the legacy automation on the first level exact campaigns, and once the test campaign or the test ad group is created, then you could then go and simply switch on the on-the-fly bidding on the test ad group. This is another option that you have. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you up on our next update.